Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Everything Geo-FS. Yes everyone, we are back with the standard 3.3 default version. For this video, we will be finally looking at radio navigation. I've learned all about it in the past few days so that I could tell you guys. So, you press fly, obviously. That's too obvious. So we are going to start off with the Cessna because that's the easiest plane because it's not too fast. We're going to go into Fresno Airport. We just need to get into Fresno. We are not even in USA right now. Let's pause the game here. So let's see here. I think you hear my mouse clicks, but that doesn't matter. Where the heck is Fresno Airport? First thing you do see though, the navigation map looks a little different. These red dotted things, then these biomass alert things. That's what we're gonna check out today. You know what? Let's just use this airport in Gilroy. This tiny little airport. Taking off. Okay. So, close navigation. Wait for it to load in. Parking brakes on. Do 9 flaps. 1. Okay, let's go. Well, we're just gonna do a little takeoff here. For anything. Okay, just a little takeoff here. Now, since Cessnas are small and light aircraft, unlike commercial jets, you can take off the flaps at 100 feet. So, let's just take off the flaps here. Okay, so, now we'll just set autopilot. IAS should be 80. We do not want it higher than 80. Then, if you see here, first of all, the font's changed, but who cares about that? We need to be at around 2,000 height. Let's get up there. Okay. Not only has the font changed, but here it says HDG and nav. Nav is when you're using radio control. And if you look down here, you're going to notice this new dial. Doesn't look the same on all aircraft like the commercial jets have it on the left side, and it looks a little different. This one, on the other hand, looks like this. So when we open nav, okay. So okay, come on. Okay, so these blue things are basically ADF, and these red dotted things are VFRs. So we are going to be using ADF because it's easier. So yeah. So basically, you just click on this, and then you click the yellow button. It tunes it into your navigation, and then down here, so if you look at this, we are basically, I think, heading towards it now. Or no, we might be heading away from it. So you can see that as you change the dial, it moves. 2. Okay, so 112.20. Yep. So now we change the OBS. So I do not know why this is not working. I'm just going to pause the recording and look at my instructions again. I have them written somewhere. It's going to take a little time for me to understand again and make sure I have everything correct. So I'm just going to pause the recording for a second. Yes, so I'm back and I figured out how to do it now. So let's have autopilot on again. So when you go into radio, we need a VOR now. These biomass, I was wrong, it was the opposite. These bio-waste looking things, those are VORs, and the reds are ADFs. So once you put this in, you can see that this is not centered anymore. So we need to turn this and adjust it to make it centered. No. Yeah, so about right there. So basically like around 270. Now you change the OBS to 270. And yes, I know OBS sounds like my OBS thing. Come on. Not 270. I'm gonna do it. Okay. Now you press nav, and now the radio navigation thing will divert you towards it. How cool is that? So let's turn on navigation. What? Oh, it's flying away. Okay. So let's put it back onto HTG. 294. What is the opposite of 294 currently? We need to go to east. That changes stuff. Yeah, that is perfect. 102. Navigation turned on. Now we are going to turn towards it. And then soon, after we go above it and pass it, we will have some luck at everything. Okay, so it's basically going to divert us towards it. Yeah, down here in the DME, it'll input everything. How many minutes it's gonna take, how many nautical miles away it is, how many knots I'm flying at, all of that good stuff. So we're basically flying towards that VOR right now. And then once we pass that VOR though, you can probably see it. By the way, I'm going to get a HD subscription, high definition subscription when I get to 25 subscribers. Just remember that. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe quickly. 25 subscribers and I will get the HD subscription. And then once I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to buy my Thrustmaster setup. Sorry about that truck sound out there. Maybe not fully centered. Yep. Oh dear. It's 102. Come on. Yep, there we are. Centered at 102. We're flying directly to that VFR. VFR. I don't know. I mean, I knew, but I forgot right now, so yeah, that's that. We're currently at almost 3,000 feet. I think like 35 feet away from 2,000 feet. 3,000 feet. Sorry. So I'm going to pause the recording here to utilize time because I'm already at 10 minutes. So once we're close, I'll start it up again.